Hey guys, it's Abby in the garage, and today we're taking a look at the BetterWeigh Mobile Towing Scale from CURT. When it comes to towing or hauling, it's often a dangerous guessing game with trailer and tongue weight. If you're pulling something like a camper or a race car, you want to make sure that your investment is safe, but also you, your passengers, and others on the road. Well, this little piece right here from CURT practically eliminates that guessing game. BetterWeigh Mobile Towing Scale with TowSense technology helps you to know if it's safe to pull or not. Simple, right? It can even give you suggestions on weight distribution or other fixes for heavy loads. BetterWeigh is compact and portable. You can see everything from your smartphone with the free app and Bluetooth. It measures real-time vehicle trailer weights, so you don't have to worry about inconsistent measurements or assumptions when it comes to towing. You can use BetterWeigh with your other favorite CURT products like the Rebellion XD hitch or Echo mobile brake controller, which also has an app. BetterWeigh is simple in the fact that what you're towing is important, but so is safety. BetterWeigh is approximately 95% accurate, and it's compatible with gas vehicles 1996 or newer and diesel vehicles 2004 or newer. You can leave BetterWeigh plugged in all the time or simply plug it in when you're wanting to weigh. The good thing is unplugging it doesn't require a new setup because the settings are saved in the app. The installation is pretty straightforward plug and play, and we give it a 1 out of 10, and it'll take you overall about 10 minutes. All you need to do is plug BetterWeigh into your vehicle's OBD2 port below the steering wheel and pair it with your smartphone. Download the free BetterWeigh app for Apple or Android, and you'll want to make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled on your phone as well. The last thing you'll need to do is calibrate the device. The app will prompt some simple steps to follow to ensure proper calibration, and just as an FYI, you'll also need to know your vehicle's VIN number. BetterWeigh has a limited lifetime warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the BetterWeigh Mobile Towing Scale from CURT. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.